In this article, I show you how to convert website to Android app. It really is not complicated. Here, I will show you the easiest way to convert your website into an Android app using Android Studio. To convert your website to an Android app, you need to install Android Studio. For that, go through my website. Here I take you to Android Studio download page. From here click on download, then you have to install it. Once done, open Android Studio. Click on Start a new Android Studio project. Select Empty Activity. Click on Next. Give a name. Here I name it as ITSAHC. Now select language as Java and rest of the space keep same. Click on Finish. First of all, the prerequisite is that you must have a website, of course, and it must be a responsive website. Now, the first thing was the extra padding. If you want to remove this extra padding from here, go to your activity_main.xml file. And here at the top there are some properties related to these padding. You may see this padding here that is left padding, right padding, top and bottom padding. You can see test view. These code you have to delete it all from test view. Below that you can see this code. /androids.constraintlayout.widget.constraintlayout. Here you have to replace the code as like /relative layout. The second thing we are going to do is, in the palette section, here we will search for the web view. Here you can see search box. Search for a web view, then drag and drop on your activity here. Now, click on code. Now you can see padding code present here. Now go to my website. Copy these code. The next step is to go to your Java folder, and open your main activity.java in here. First of all, let's declare a web view variable. Paste the code here, which I copied from my website. Here replace the URL with your website URL. Now go back to my website. Copy this 3 lines of codes. Next need to click on Import. Under Import Android.os.bundle. Here paste the 3 lines of codes, which I copied from the website. Once done, under Public Class Main Activity extends App Compat Activity. Again copy and paste below code from my website. Paste the code here, which I copied from my website. Now, whenever you use WebView to give your device permission to use the internet, you need to change the manifest file from here. You can use this user's permission attribute here. And then you just have to choose the permission that we want to allow, so in our case we want to choose an Android Internet permission. For that, copy the code from here. Go to the manifest folder and open the Android manifest.xml file. Paste the code element over here. Now, one more step we have to take to make this application fully functional. Or, each time we click on any link in this application, it will be redirected to the default browser that you have on your mobile device. Go back to my website. Copy this code. How we can do these things to solve the first problem. We are going to go to once again to a main activity.java file. Paste the code here. Here we will take over my WebView variable. And then we will call a method called setWebViewClient. And then we will just call a new WebView client. And what this line of code will do is it's going to prevent your URLs from opening in the browser. So whenever your app is open, and when you click some link, it's not going to open this link in the web browser. Now copy all the below codes after. It will function on the back button of your mobile device. Paste over here. Now click on Bitmap. And click on Import Class. Now the third step was the extra padding. If you want to remove the extra padding from your mobile app, which is not fit on your mobile screen, copy this code. Go to your activity_main.xml file. Paste the code over here. Now, go to styles.xml and change dark action bar to no action bar. Now, we are going to generate the app. For that, click on Built from the navigation bar, then select Generate Sign Bundle, APK. Now, a small window will pop up. Here you have to check APK and click on Next. Click on Create New. Here you have to select the path. And give file name. Password. Also fill all your details, and keep alias as key 0. Now click on OK. Then click Next. Here you have to select Release. Now you have to check V1 jar signature and V2 full APK signature, and click on Finish. That's it. Once app created, you will get a notification that successfully created. Now you can see a link. Namely, locate. Click on it. Now you can see the app, which you created in a folder open. From here, you can copy the app. Also you can rename, as you wish. Here I name it as, It's HC. Now you can copy this app on your Android device and install. Once you install this APK file, you can open this app, and you will see your website is converted into Android app. Now, if you have brand image, you can put that image as an app icon. For that, navigate to Rev, and right-click on Drawable. Select New, then click on Image Asset. Then find the image, and give the image path here. Here you have to adjust the image size, which fit on the box. Once done, click Next. Click on Finish. Click on Built from the navigation bar, then select Generate Sign Bundle, APK. Here you have to check APK, and click on Next. Here you have to select Release, and click on Finish. That's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. The best thing you can do is subscribe this channel, and keep watching our channel updates. You might learn something new.